Are you wondering what the market is going to do to you and your assets in 2025? Your first Northwest market update of 2025. Let's dive into what's going on in the housing market. And hey, stick around until the end. I'll tell you why waiting to buy or sell could cost you a lot this year. So December 2024, did those 3 Fed rate cuts last year finally bring us relief? Nope. Instead, mortgage rates just laughed and kept on climbing. As of January 2nd, we're at 6.91%. And today, January 14th, we're at 7.26, the highest since July 2024. Looks like we're getting cozy with this new normal of 6+% rates. But don't panic yet. Here's where it gets interesting. Even with higher borrower closing costs, the market isn't slowing down. In fact, active listings jumped 25% year over year. Snohomish County led the pack with a whopping 46% increase in inventory. Closed sales up almost 20%. Buyers are adapting to these rates and diving in. Median home prices rose 4.3% from last year, landing at $623,500. And here's the kicker. Month over month, prices dipped 3.33% compared to November of last year. Translation: buyers are gaining a bit of leverage. Now let's talk activity. Showings and key box access dropped from November because of the holidays, but year over year, they're climbing. This tells us there's pent-up demand. People want to buy, and they're adjusting to this new market reality. So what does all this mean for you? Well, if you're a buyer, now is your chance to lock in before spring competition heats up and prices tick up again. And if you're a seller, get ahead of the curve. List now while inventory is still tight, and you'll stand out to those motivated buyers who are already out there. The market is moving, folks, and the window of opportunity is open. But it won't stay that way forever. Timing is everything in real estate, and 2025 is shaping up to be the year where early birds catch the worms. Thanks for tuning into the Northwest Market Update, your go-to source for fun, fast, and factual real estate insights. Let's make 2025 the year we crush your real estate goals. Got questions? DM me or comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, keep dreaming big, buying smart, and selling right. See you soon.